Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down 10 animals with the most terrifying sounds in the world. Some of these sounds are so frightening they can send chills down your spine. Let's get started. Number 1, howler monkey. The howler monkey takes the top spot. Despite its relatively small size, it produces an incredibly loud and terrifying roar that can be heard up to several kilometers away through dense forests. Number 2, lion. Known as the king of the jungle, the lion produces one of the loudest and most terrifying roars in the animal kingdom. Its roar can travel several miles. Number 3, tiger. A tiger's roar is a symbol of power and dominance. Its deep growl can be heard from great distances and is enough to make other animals flee. Number 4, wolf. The haunting howl of a wolf is one of the most recognizable sounds in nature. Its long, chilling call has inspired countless legends and stories. Number 5, hyena. Hyenas are famous for their strange laughing sounds. However, these eerie vocalizations can be extremely unsettling, especially at night. Number 6, elephant. Elephants use powerful trumpets and deep rumbles to communicate. When angry or threatened, their calls can be incredibly loud and intimidating. Number 7, hippopotamus. Although hippos may seem calm, they produce powerful grunts and roars that can be extremely intimidating. Their vocalizations often travel long distances across rivers. Number 8, Tasmanian devil. The Tasmanian devil is famous for its terrifying growls, shrieks, and screams. These sounds have contributed to its fearsome reputation for centuries. Number 9, screaming hairy armadillo. This unusual animal gets its name from the loud, high-pitched screams it makes when threatened. The sound is shocking and can easily startle anyone nearby.
Yeah, tell us all about it.
Number 10, northern elephant seal. Northern elephant seals produce loud, thunderous roars during breeding season. Their deep vocalizations can sound like giant monsters battling on a distant shore. Bullfrog. The bullfrog may look harmless, but its deep, booming call can be surprisingly eerie, especially at night. Its powerful croak often echoes across ponds and wetlands. Which animal sound scared you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing wildlife videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.